My name is David Butler. I'm studying metalwork teaching in the University of Limerick. I'm a fourth-year student. I chose to do this programme because it was recommended to me. My metalwork teacher told me I'd be well suited and to research it, so I researched it and it seemed to be the course for me. What really interested me about this course was all the modules that we take. The fact that we go out on 2 rounds of teaching practice is something that I hadn't seen in any other college, so it gave a lot of practical experience. We do a lot of hands-on practical work, which is always appealing to me, but it's also balanced out with the proper theory to go behind it then as well. We've done electronics, robotics, manufacturing systems. We've covered educational theory, which is more interesting than it actually sounds. After that then, plenty drawing, enough to keep you up with everything that you're doing. So you get to use all the proper machinery that you should have when you go out into the schools when you're teaching. You learn to be independent. You learn to be a very good communicator. You learn to be able to stand up in front of a class and talk to your peer group and tell them how to do something. The things we did in the programme that I learned the most from were teaching practice. It's the best thing ever. You go out into schools, you go out for 1 6-week placement in second year, and that gives you a hands-on experience of teaching up as far as 5th year. And then when you go out in 4th year for your last round teaching practice, you go out and you teach Leaving Cert students. So it gives you a proper indication of what it is that you're going to be doing when you're finished college. I did my teaching practice in Clonakilty in Cork. I brought all the projects that I had done in UL into the classroom, and I showed all the students what they can do, and that got every student interested in it. When I finished the course, I hope to go teaching, but I also hope to take on some postgraduate studies. I'm very interested in the electronics side and I want to do something in education. If you're thinking of doing this course, the one thing that you have to remember is you have to be willing to work, but you'll enjoy it so much that there's no real work involved in it. You just get on with it and you actually enjoy what you're doing. As long as you have a basic interest in it, you're sorted.